So from Amazon worker to full-time day trader, having weeks like this. Actually, this was in a day. I don't know where I'm putting it, but it was about $1,200, $1,100. You could do the math on the screen there in a day, and that was the biggest day that I had on my live account after years of doing this crap. And I was like, oh my god, it doesn't even feel great. And ironically, you want to get to that position in trading where you say, wow, this doesn't even matter. It doesn't even matter. And not because of the idea that I could lose it tomorrow. No, it's because, and this really, really helped me out with my psychology over the years. And it took me a long time to really accept it and I don't know, carry it with me the rest of my journey. When I win a trade, I don't feel anything. When I lose a trade, I don't feel anything. And the reason is this: whether I win today or lose tomorrow, how many times am I going to feel like that or force myself to have an emotion over winning or losing if I'm going to be doing this for the rest of my life? Is that not like, does that not like hit hard, please? Sounds kind of suspect. Is that not deep? That's suspect too. Is that not like a reality check? I used to do the same thing for a lot of my friends when they have like an issue going on with their relationship and they're arguing between each other, boyfriend and girlfriend. I'm kind of like the medium. If the argument we're having right now won't matter in 5 years, why are we having it? If it won't matter next month, why are we having it? Why would I care about a win or a loss if I'm literally going to do the same thing for the next 10 years of my life, every single day, Monday through Friday? What would it matter? Why would it matter? So really wrap your head around that, is that the journey starts for you. You become a professional trader when you start to accept day by day, it's okay. Day by day, it's okay, because I'm not going to stress about this day if I have to do this for another 10 more years. When do you think you're going to quit trading? I mean, this is a hobby of mine now. I mean, technically, it feels like work when I do this stuff, when I'm talking to a lot of viewers and subscribers. It feels like work. But when I get on the charts and I'm just solo dolo on here looking at the charts and saying, man, I know, like, I feel confident with these trades. And at the same time, with the confidence, I know that even if I lose it, it's okay, because I'm not sitting here blowing my account or risking the entire account. It's completely fine. And you really need to try that if you haven't done that yet. You know, again, 8 years experience, 4 years I failed, and then 4 years I was profitable, got funded, did all this shit, and I was like, it was this easy? You know when it got easy? When I stopped caring. And I know you probably heard that before, but it's the truth. When you stop caring about all the money, when you stop caring about being right on the charts, when you stop caring about looking at the charts 24/7. Now, mind you, every new trader's got to get that out of their system. I understand that. I respect that, because that was for years I did that. Like I say in all my videos, I was watching every single session. Then I'm very ADD, right? I'm very ADD, so I'm always, or ADHD, whatever it is. I don't even know the difference between it. That's how much I'm on the spectrum I am. When you stop caring and you just focus on the day-by-day process and following your rules, and it sounds annoying to hear it, but when you follow the rules, the simplicity of not over-risking, taking maybe 1 to 2 trades, those are the rules I live by, 1 to 2%, 1 to 2 trades. It's so simple, 1 to 2 everything. When you go out and have a drink, you want to be a trader? Well, 1 to 2 drinks. All right, you can't sit there and get sloshed and then focus on the charts. But we're adults, so you need to learn to be responsible and take ownership of the life you're living. So when you wake up and you look at these charts, take your time. Don't roll out of roll out of bread. Don't run out of bread too. But don't roll out of bed half asleep and then try to take a trade. Take your time, wake up. Who cares? Look at the chart and be like, I'll give me, 20 minutes and I'll let me get some food and some caffeine and let me chill out and wake up. Because your brain's not even cognitively there yet. If you're just getting out of bed and looking at a trade, trying to get in, blah, 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 it looks like price is going up. No. So this may only target a specific audience of people. But if you're having trouble, with that stuff, click the link in the description. I got a course for brand new traders. And I assure you it's better than all what the gurus give you, because I don't fill it with fluff. I show you exactly what you have to look for every single day when you wake up, where to get in the trade, when to get out of the trade. Even in different market scenarios, when price is going up, price is going down. When price is going down and it switches to going up. We have a little structure change in the market, reversal happening. And you don't know reversals are happening until they happen. So anybody who tells you they can guess a reversal, yeah, you can have an idea, but let the market tell you when it's going to reverse. Like right here. Nobody knows this was going to happen. Nobody knows that this was going to happen. I could have told you it might have played out like this at 2 p.m. Yeah, but look, price is going down. Then we broke out, and we looked like we were going to continue up, and it melted. Nobody knows. Nobody knows nothing. They don't let them lie to you and say that they have a 100% win rate. There is no 100% win rate. All right. I just know that I consistently win and make profit week after week, and I don't have to worry about losing my entire account because I risk properly. The risk that I have on the table is fine. It's not a big deal to me. And I don't really do these flashy videos, so it's kind of hard for many people to believe me or appreciate what I'm trying to tell them, because I'm just a guy that likes to trade and work out, mind my business. I don't talk to nobody. I don't text nobody. I'm not really much of a relationship guy. I just focus on me. I'm just running my money up and minding my business until I just want to get a wife and kids and call it a day and have somebody take my place online and and make these videos and pretend to be me. That way I can live off my royalties. No. So yeah, a little bit of psychology for you, right? A lot of new traders got to get that, and maybe it's not what you want to hear, but it's the truth. It's literally the truth. You have to simplify your trading. If you came across this video, there's a reason that you did. And I assure you, with the best intentions for you, if you can just listen to the advice I'm giving you and today say, you know what, I'm not gonna stress myself out over this trading stuff. There is no way you will be successful in the next year if you're stressed out about trading, if you're so focused on trading, you're taking trade after trade, you're over risking, you're looking up all these strategies. Focus on one damn thing, and you'll see how easy it is. And I'm going to give you a real reality check here. I was so stubborn, I never wanted to learn from anybody. I didn't want to buy a course. I bought a course like 6.5 years ago, but I didn't really learn much from it. And at the same time, I said to myself, yeah, that really didn't teach me anything. So I really didn't like courses until I said to myself, you know what? I'm going to make a course for new traders, because if they can skip all the crap that I had to go through by learning every single strategy on YouTube, if there's a free strategy on YouTube and you're watching every single one of them, just pick one. Just pick one and see if it works out for you. More times than not, those 100% win rate strategies, they don't work. They're not going to work. They probably work for a week. But when you want to take it serious, you want to actually learn a strategy that works, that keeps real people like me, making money and not having to stress about what's going to happen. Oh, what am I going to do? What am I going to do today? Oh, my strategy's not work. No, it works because it's literally business. It's how business moves. It's how price moves. It's how the world moves. And you'll understand that if you get the strategy, you understand it. But I'm not going to sit here and give the answers to people that aren't even going to commit to it for the next month and a half. People give up too easily. But if you want the strategy, link is in the description. And stay focused, stay blessed, stay safe, trade safe. Love you, brother. Love you, sister. And I'll see you guys probably tomorrow. I'll make another video. All right, bye.